Hello everyone, I'm Chiara Ripa from the Italian National Research Council, and I will talk to you about the Italian Polar Data Archives project, what is the current state and which are the future perspectives. The purpose of the Italian Antarctic Data Centers is the creation of an informatic infrastructure for the collection, management, publication of metadata and use of data collected by Italian researchers in Antarctica and by Italian researchers in the Arctic. Several agencies and institutions are involved in the project and operate under the umbrella of the Italian Antarctic Program and the Italian Arctic Program. The system is based on the principles of open science and fair data. It uses open standards in order to facilitate interoperability between nodes and customization too, with the aim to create a common entry point platform for publishing, discovering, accessing, and common services. This integrated system is organized in functional first-level nodes interconnected together with each other by means of mediation and adaptation services running on a central infrastructure called Common Node. The scientific contributions from research institutions are collected on functional nodes which converge via harvesting to the Common Node that guarantees the interoperability of the system, making all contributions available to the scientific community. GeoNetwork is the open-source software chosen as a system for the project purpose. It manages specially referenced resources and catalogues of metadata records, provides a simple interface for editing and searching data from metadata, offers a specific editor for standard formats such as Dublin Core and ISO 19115 and others, and allows the validation of metadata against ISPIRE directives. In addition, allows the upload of data, documents, PDF files, and any other type of content. The international standard interfaces and metadata models that are widely supported by scientific communities are used in order to provide the best interoperability inside the system, providing easy access to data and resources and favoring their sharing. The metadata and data are managed remotely by the first-level nodes. Subsequently, metadata are harvested and imported in the Common Node, where are made available in different formats and protocols to be exported to other external systems. The metadata discovery could be also directed from the central node to the first and second level nodes. The Italian Antarctic Data Center instance in GeoNetwork collects contributes from scientific organizations that promote research over different subject areas that are investigated or monitored in the frame of PNRA, such as oceanography, glaciology, geology, atmospheric science, biology, and etc. The Common Node actually counts a total of 20,511 datasets, and all the organizations work actively in the management of their node, increasing the number of records and contributions. The system provides a possible searching criteria mainly based on ISPIRE themes or general topics. However, further custom thematic filters and categories are under development in order to improve the capability of the research. The metadata records are defined by the standard format of ISO 19115 and are validated against the ISPIRE rules. The hierarchical structure of the metadata formats allows to trace the information related to the project in which the dataset have been collected and to correlate the various initiatives with each other without having to repeat information. We are using thesaurus from GCMD and NASA for language compliance. Furthermore, records are linked to the external resources such as data repository, project website, or dataset directed download. The future perspectives for the National Antarctic Data Center is to collaborate with other communities by means of providing metadata harvesting optional available for all, interacting with different systems via standard protocols, to develop tools for data management and on-the-fly analysis with Jupyter Notebook-based virtual research environment. Finally, we would like to join this efficient infrastructure of the National Antarctic Data Center with the one of the Arctic, with the aim to gather and provide metadata and data representing all the polar area. So, with a similar approach and infrastructure to catalog and manage the Arctic data, the Italian Arctic Data Center is under development in the framework of the Italian Arctic Research Program, also intending to realize a repository for all activities performed in the Arctic by the Italian research groups, mainly those with a long-term observation character. Also here, that the management will be in the common formats of use and will be possible sharing of data from modern protocols. The system will be also supported by programs and tools like AirDAP and Jupyter Notebook for downloading, converting and visualizing data. The Italian Arctic Data Center will carry out a role of an Arctic data repository to support scientific research and improve the connection with other data centers. So, thank you everybody for your attention.